In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Face ID on the Fidelity app. This feature will make accessing your financial information quicker and more secure. But before we begin, make sure Face ID is already set up on your iPhone. You can do this by going to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Remember, Fidelity uses your iPhone's built-in biometric authentication for logging in. With that ready, let's dive right in. First, open the Fidelity app on your iPhone. You'll need to sign in using your username and password. This is an important step as it ensures that only you can access your account settings. Take your time to enter your details carefully. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's navigate to the security settings. Look for your profile icon. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the app. Tap on it and you'll see several options appear. From here, select either Settings or Security. This section is crucial because it's where you manage how you access your account. By understanding these settings, you gain better control over your account's security features. After you open the security settings, let's enable Face ID. You should find an option labeled Face ID or sometimes biometric login. This feature leverages your iPhone's advanced security to make logging in effortless. Turn the switch on to activate it. If you've enabled a security code on your account, you might be asked to enter it now. This step is vital for adding an extra layer of security to your setup process. When prompted by iOS, allow Fidelity to use Face ID. This permission is a key part of the process as it lets the app utilize the powerful Face ID technology on your device. Confirming this will ensure that the app can use your facial recognition for future logins. Once you've allowed this, go ahead and enable Face ID by turning it on. With this setting activated, you can now enjoy the convenience of logging in without typing your credentials each time. At this point, you can log out of the Fidelity app. This is a good time to test the Face ID feature. Try logging back in using Face ID to ensure everything is working correctly. You should see the app recognizing your face and allowing you access seamlessly. If it doesn't work right away, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a try or two to get used to the new login method. Using Face ID not only saves time but also enhances security. You no longer need to worry about someone guessing your password. Plus, it adds an extra layer of protection since your face is unique. Having Face ID set up means you're now using one of the most advanced forms of authentication available. This small setup effort can save you a lot of time and hassle later on. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Face ID on your Fidelity app. Enjoy the ease and peace of mind of knowing your account is secure. Thank you for watching and happy investing.